This is a MRT Ultra 3.06 port card. Regarding the power input for MRT hardware cards, we provide three 6 plus 2-pin PCIe power connectors for the graphics card. The power output side includes the 4th and 5th power ports on the edge, and the 0th to 3rd power ports at the metal bracket area. When connecting power cables, you can choose either one of the two parallel input ports. The lower power port supplies power to the two adjacent output ports, which need to be connected separately. Both parallel ports use a 1-to-4 power distribution scheme, corresponding to the 4 hardware power supplies for ATA 0 to ATA 3. If you have sufficient graphics card power cables, it's recommended to connect both ports fully. Regular power supplies typically provide 1 or 2 split PCIe graphics card power cables. Let's demonstrate the installation process. Choose either one of the parallel power ports. Align and install it with the buckle. Connect the remaining PCIe power ports to the independent power input port. In addition to regular power supplies, we've prepared several PCIe power cables from modular power supplies, which allow independent assembly and disassembly of power cables. Modular power supplies are slightly more expensive than non-modular ones, but offer more diverse power requirements. Recommended capacity is 500 W or higher. If you have a graphics card, you'll need even larger capacity. If power cables are sufficient, you can connect all 3 graphics card power ports. Next, let's address the motherboard installation process. Typically, motherboards provide a long PCIe X16 slot and a short PCIe X1 slot. The long slot near the CPU has the strongest performance and should be prioritized. After installation, secure it with screws. When connecting cables, confirm the pairing of SATA ports and power ports. When connecting hard drives, they need to be connected in pairs. The port numbers on the side near the motherboard are ATA plus power ports 0, 1, 2, and 3. Next are ATA plus power ports 4 and 5. That's the installation process for the MRT Ultra 3.06 port card.